Hi, I'm Rachel Jones, and today I'll be taking you through 165 Old Jenckes Hill Road in Lincoln. Come on in. This raised ranch was built in 1974 and sits on a quiet side street with over half an acre of land. The first floor offers over 1,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and 1 full bathroom. All of the flooring has been updated and most rooms have been freshly painted. The basement is fully finished with a kitchenette, full bathroom, and laundry. The exterior of this home has vinyl siding and has been very well maintained. Pavers were installed in the walkways in 2020. The deck is freshly stained and the roof is just over 10 years old. The private wooded backyard offers 2 patio areas as well as a fire pit and mature plantings. Lincoln School Department is ranked number 8 of 37 best school districts in Rhode Island. It is also home to CCRI's Flanagan campus and Twin River Casino. This location is just minutes away from shopping on George Washington Highway and highway access to 146 and 295. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today. For more information about this home, please visit the property website or call me directly. We hope to see you at our open houses this weekend. See you soon.